everyone. I am taking this ML Agarwal 7th standard book and I am going to do exercise 7.1. So first question is convert the following percents into fractions in simplest form. So first is 25%. So we have to divide it with 100. So it comes 1 upon 4. Second is 150%. 150 into 1 upon 100. So it goes with 50 table. 2, 3. So 3 upon 2 is the answer. And this 7, 1 upon 2. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15 upon 2. Now we have to convert it. That means we have to multiply it with 1 by 100. So what it comes? It comes 3 by 40. So it comes 3, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 20. So 3, 2 into 20 is 40. Next is 33, 1 by 3. 33 into 3 is 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 upon 3 into 1 upon 100. So it cancels. So answer is 1 by 3. Now come to second question. Convert the following fractions into percents. First is 1 upon 8. In this we have to multiply it with 100. So 4 2s are 8, 25. So when we divide 25 by 2, it comes 12.5. 5 upon 4 into 100. So it goes with 4 table. 4 2s are 8, 5. So 125%. 9 upon 16 multiply by 100. So it again goes with 4 table. 4 then 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 5, yes. Now it comes to 25 upon 4. When we divide it, and we can do it in mixed fraction, 56 1 upon 4. Next is, yes, 3 upon 7. 3 by 7 into 100. So it comes 300 divided by 7. Then it comes 42 6 by 7. 11 by 50, next part, into 100. So it again goes with 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 20. Now when we multiply, it comes 220 by 3. When we divide it, it comes 73 1 by 3. And the last part of this question is when we multiply 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 8 into 100. So it comes 275 by 2. When we divide it, it goes with 2. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are. Now question third. First part is 6 students out of 40 students in a class are absent. What percentage of the students are absent? So 6 students out of 40 students are absent, and we have to calculate it in percentage form, so we need to multiply it with 100. So cancel. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So answer is 15%. Next is Anthony scored 384 marks out of 500 marks. What is the percentage of marks scored by Anthony? So total we have to take down 384 marks he scored, and we have to calculate again percentage, then into 100. 0 0 cancel. Then we get 384 upon 5. When we divide it, we will get, I think, 76.8%. Next is, a shop has 500 shirts, out of which 15 are defective. What is the percentage of shirts are defective? So how many shirts are defective? That's 15. Out, how many shirts are in total? 500. We again have to calculate percentage. So we need to multiply it with 100. So it goes 5 3s are 50. So 3%. Next again, okay, I'll do it here. Fourth, Vani has a collection of bangles. He has 20 gold bangles and 10 silver bangles. What is the percentage of each type of bangles? So, percentage of gold bangles. How many gold bangles are there? She has 20 gold bangles. So, total number of bangles is 30. 20 upon 30 into 100. So, 200 divided by 3. 66. When we divide it, it continues 66.666. Then we can write it as 66.767%. Now we have to calculate silver bangles. How many silver bangles are there? There are 10. So total number of bangles are 30. Then again we have to calculate percentage. So it comes 100 upon 3. When we divide, again it continues 37%. Now, fifth part. There are 120 voters. 90 of them voted. What percent did not vote? So, voters are 120. So, how many are voted? 90. So, we have to subtract 90 from 120. So, we will get 30. So, 30 people did not vote. So 30 upon 120 into 100. So it goes 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. So again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then 3 5s are 15. It got messy. 25%. So 25% did not vote. Fourth question. Estimate the part of the figure which is shaded and hence find the percentage of the part which is shaded. So in this figure, it is divided into 4 parts. See, and out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So 3 by 4, we have to calculate percentage into 100. So 25, it goes with 4 tables, so 75%. In second figure, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it got 6 parts, only 2 are shaded. 2 total number of parts into 100. So when we calculate, we will get 200 by 6. When we divide it, we will get 33 and upon 33. In next figure, how many parts are shaded? 5. Total number of parts are 8 into 100. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 25. Then 125 by 2. So it comes 62.5%. Now fifth question is convert the following percents into ratio in simplest form. First is 14%. So 14 divided by 100. When we convert it into simplest form, so 7 2 7s are 14 divided by 50. So 7 is to 5 0. Next is 1 3 by 4. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. So it comes 7 by 4 into 1 by 100. So it comes 7 upon 400. When we convert, then it comes 7 is to 400. Next, 33 into 3, 99, 100 divided by 3 into 1 upon 100. So 1 by 3. So 1 is to 3. 37.5. 37, 375 we will write. So it comes 10 into 1 upon 100. So it comes 375 divided by 1000. So when we calculate, it comes 3 is to 8. Now, sixth question. Express the following ratios as percentage. So first is 5 is to 4. 5 divided by 4 into 100. When we calculate, it comes 25. So 125%. Next is 1 is to 1. 1 upon 1 into 100. So simple, it's 100%. Next is 2 is to 3. 2 divided by 3 into 100. It comes 200 by 3. That means how much it comes? When we divide, it comes 66. 2 by 3% again. Fourth is 9 is to 16. 9 by 16 into 100. So when we calculate for positive 5 to 25 by 4, it comes 86, 1 by 4%. Seventh question. An alloy consists of 7 parts of zinc and 33 parts of copper. Find the percentage of copper in the alloy. So total parts is 7 plus 33. That means 40. We have to calculate percent of copper. So copper is 33. 33 total is 40 into 100. So when we calculate, it's 2 5. So 165 by 2. When we calculate, it comes 82, 1 by 2%. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and sand in the ratio of 12 is to 3 is to 10. Find the percentage of carbon in the chalk. First, what is the total? Total, it will come 12 plus 3 plus 10. So it comes 25. So we have to calculate percent of carbon. So what is the ratio of carbon? 3. So total is 25. 3 upon 25. We have to calculate it in percent. So it comes 4. 4 into 3 is 12%. The ninth. If rupees 2500 is to be divided among Ravi, Raju and Roy, so that Ravi gets 2 parts, Raju gets 3 parts and Roy 5 parts, how much money will each get and what will it be in percentage? So total money is 2500 and total number of parts is 2 plus 3 plus 5, so it comes 10. So Ravi gets 2 by 10 of 2500. So when we calculate, it comes 500. Now we have to calculate percentage of Ravi gets. This is in rupees. Now percentage. 2 by 10 into 100. So Ravi gets 20%. Now we have to calculate Raju's. So Raju gets 3 parts. 3 by 10 into 2500. So when we calculate, it comes rupees 750. In percentage, 3 by 10 into 100. In percentage, he gets 30%. Same is the case with Roy. He gets 5. 5 by 10 into 2500. So when we calculate, it comes 1250. Yeah, 1250. In percentage, 5 by 10 into 100. So it gets 50%. Now 10th question. Convert the following percents into decimals. So 28%, that means 28 by 100. So we can put decimal over here, 0.28. So 2 places before this number. 3%, 3 by 100. So 0.03. Okay, 0.44 is the next, 100. Then how will you calculate? 2 before that. So it comes 0.0044. Next is 37, 1 by 2. First we have to simplify it. 75 by 2 into 1 upon 100. So it comes 3, it comes 4 when we cut it with 25 taper. So it comes 3 by 8. So when we simplify it, it comes 0.375. The last question of this exercise, convert the following decimals into percents. So 0.65 into 100. So how it goes? See 65 by 100 into 100. So it cancels. So it comes 65%. Same 0.9. So we calculate 9 by 10 when we remove decimal. So it comes 90%. We have to put percent symbol. Okay. Next is 2.1. So 21 by 10 into 100, 0. So 210%. Same is 0 to divided by 100 into 100. So it comes 2%. Thank you.